Hey folks, in this video let's solve another Leetcode question, SQL Leetcode question. So the name of the question is delete duplicate emails. It's the 196th question. It's rated as easy. So this is similar to the previous question where we had to just print or return the duplicate emails. Here we have to delete the duplicate emails and then print the table. So here you can see that we have three IDs 1, 2 and 3, and there are just two unique emails. So one is john@example.com, second is bob@example.com. The third person has the same email as the one with ID 1, and here it's returning only the two emails with the smallest ID. So the person with the smallest ID gets this email, and we just have to delete the email record for the person with ID 3. That's how this works. So the approach I'm going to use here is self joins. So we are going to check a condition with the self join using the same table. So here we have just one table. So essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one, then check if it's having the same email as 2, and take one, check if it's having the same email as 3. Then I'm going to take 2, check if it's having the same email as 3, and that's that's all I'm going to do here. So let me just code it out. So I'm going to do delete p1 from person. So I'm going to select one particular record, that's 1 over here, and the person with ID 1. I'm going to take a self join, so from the same table, but I'm going to alias it as p2, and now I'm going to say where p1.email equal to p2.email and p1.id greater than p2.id. So I hope this is straightforward. We are just taking two people or two IDs over here, two IDs, and then we are checking if they have the same email. But we'll also have to check if p1.id is greater than p2.id, because we shouldn't check the records with the same ID. We don't need to equalize or compare the records with the same ID. So if I don't do this here, what will happen is it's going to check for the ID 1 what's the email, and then it's going to check for the ID 1 again what's the email, and they both will basically be the same, so it's going to delete that record. But that's not what we want, right? So we don't want to check with the same record again and again, and if this gets deleted, this also gets deleted in the same way, so that would lead to loss of data. So I'm going to say keep a condition where p1.id is greater than p2.id, and you can also do it the other way around as well. It's going to work in the same way. And so what this is going to do is it's going to check 3 with 1, then it's going to check 3 with 2 if they have same email, then it's going to check 2 with 1. So that's how it's going to work. Let's just run this. Alright, now it works, and it just gives us two unique emails over here. There's only one case, so let's submit. Okay, it's submitted, and yeah, it's better than 53.60% of the solutions, which is pretty good. And this is the best way I could come up with a solution. If you have a better solution, please put them down in the comments. And that's all for this video. Have a nice weekend ahead, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.